Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This is the news beat presented to you by Ladies Like and Survivor. Follow the beat from the studio to the street. Info with the flow keeps you sharp and in the know. Sit back, relax, enjoy the news. Follow. Uganda leads a United States-supported African Union regional task force mandated to track down the Lord's Resistance Army troop at this rebel post. However, Uganda has decided to withdraw from the rebel hunt by the end of this year, even though the rebel group continues to threaten the security of the population in its operating area.
The Lord's Resistance Army was driven out of northern Uganda a decade ago after committing despicable atrocities against the local people. The rebel group, infamously known for rape, abductions and mutilations to induce fear, has already abducted almost 400 children this year.
The United Nations warns that LRA might be changing tactics and shifting its focus on the high-profile target in the Central African Republic.
The international body is concerned about Uganda's proposed exit from the military operations, which could trigger a rebel insurgence in the region.
The Uganda military withdrawal was confirmed by the international military spokesman Pade Ankunda, who said Uganda was discouraged by the insufficient international support to fulfill its agenda.
Most of Uganda's 2,500 troops are in Central African Republic's eastern region, and a small contingent is on alert in South Sudan.
Central African Republic and South Sudan have failed to contribute troops to the cause because both countries are struggling with the remnants of their civil wars.
Although the International Criminal Court has issued arrest warrants for Joseph Kony and other senior commanders, and more rebel fighters continue to surrender, the armed insurgents are still a big threat around the South Sudan, Central African Republic and Congo borders. It's barely a month to the 2016 Summer Olympic season, and the Brazilian authorities say over 95% of the work has been done to completion. However, Brazil's economic, political, and health crises have affected its preparations for the competition. The Zika virus has been the biggest concern among the traveling fans and athletes alike, as the Olympic body had been asked to delay the games because of the health fright. The South Korean team has opted for long-sleeve shirts and long pants treated with chemicals, which act as an effective repellent against the Zika-carrying mosquitoes. However, Olympic officials say the mosquito population will be very low this time of the year when the temperatures are low and the rainfall is rare. Another concern is the sailing venue called the Guanabara Bay, as the city's sewage is dumped in this waterway. Security has also been a major worry among the athletes and tourists, as the Olympic host city, Rio de Janeiro, has some of the world's most dangerous streets. But officials say over 85,000 security forces are to be deployed during the Olympics. The country's setbacks have consequently affected the ticket sales of the sports competition, as almost 40% of the tickets remain unsold by the Olympic organization. The Brazilian government has offered to buy some of the unsold tickets and distribute the tickets among the local students. Brazil has spent billions of dollars in preparation of the world's biggest sports ceremony, and on the 5th of August 2016, it will become the first South American host in Olympic history. Early marriage is a human rights abuse that should be stopped. Our reporter Jay Sentino is here with the full report.
Child marriage remained prevalent in Zambia due to customary laws still practiced in the area. Although it's officially illegal to marry persons under 21, traditional customs allow parents to have their children marry anyone. Most families look at their daughters as a source of income, marrying them off in exchange for bride price according to the custom. But early marriage means early pregnancy, leading to health issues including maternal mortality. And Zambia has one of the highest mortality rates on earth, at nearly 600 out of every 100,000 live births. The Women and Law in South Africa Research and Education Trust is a regional NGO making the end of child marriages a must. They have involved tribal leaders in their campaigning, so the tides have changed and child marriages are declining. In 2013, the government started a Ministry of Chiefs and Traditional Affairs. Since then, tribal leaders have taken children under their care. NGOs have sensitized chiefs to dangers of child marriages, so chiefs have used laws to criminalize marrying someone underage. Chief Mwenda of the Tonga people in the southern province of Zambia has dissolved over 600 marriages in the last 2 years. The dangers of teenage pregnancy changed her mind about customary rules, and now she has made it her mission to send girls back to school. Even parents have begun to understand the danger, like Joyce Malambo, who regretted endangering her daughter. With teenage girls returning to school, things are looking brighter, and the ending of child marriages in Zambia presents a bright future. I'm Jay Sentino, reporting for Newsbeat.
Thank you, Jay Sentino, for that report. Albert Ssempeke, musician to the king, played the flute, drums, lyre and a harp of 6 strings in Mengo for Kabaka Mutesa. He even went to Scotland with a musical professor called Cook, who was studying beats. His first name is Peter, but we call him Pete. And he learned them with melodies too, cause old Ssempeke told Pete a thing or two. Now Albert, a legend in his days, lives on through Albert Jr., who knows how to play all instruments of Uganda Kingdom. He's dead songs too, yeah, he knows how to sing them. Along comes a Brit by the name of Jesse Hackett, who played in crazy bands and made a bloody racket. He worked with the best Grammy winners, sang with the holy and jammed with the sinners. He toured the whole world from Nairobi to Roma. He has got a Luo crew called Owini Singoma. But when he got a taste of Ssempeke's style, he had a trip down to the old river Nile. Now he's in Uganda, Ssempeke by his side, jamming every day with their genius colleagues. They light up the moon playing all night. Africa and Europe, in music we unite. That was the news on the beat. Next week will be another hit. Still ladies like and Survivor, reporting live and direct with love and respect. Follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat.
Follow the beat.
Follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat.
Follow the beat.